Hi everybody, you'll have to bear with me, it's the first time doing this, so please, like I say, bear with me. I'm going to try and document some of the stuff that I get up to with the motorhome and on my bike, which is where the name comes from, Velo Moho. Really last minute decision, back end of last week, contacted two of the other guys that we regularly go abroad with. Normally watching the Tour de France, but this year earlier on we went down to Mont Ventoux with a view to going down to watch the Milan-San Remo that we've done before, and a bit of a ride around Monaco and just a bit of a jolly really. It all turned sour in the event of COVID, and we had to scurry back to the ferry and return back home. But in the meantime, what I'll do is give you a tour of the Moho behind me. It's an Auto Trail Apache. My bike's ready to go on the back, so I can do a quick show of that. My intentions, hopefully, are to just give you a bit of an insight into what I do when I'm going away and all the rest of it. And there you go. See how we go on. Bear with me.